Have you ever heard a regional nickname that just sticks, even if it is not exactly flattering? Sometimes, these labels grow out of specific local characteristics that outsiders notice. People call Massachusetts residents Massholes because of a long-standing, widespread stereotype that characterizes them as aggressive drivers and generally impatient or rude in their interactions. While it is a pejorative term, it primarily stems from observations about driving habits, especially in and around the Boston area, combined with a perception of blunt and direct communication. This perception largely comes from a unique combination of factors. Massachusetts, particularly Boston, has a complex and often challenging road system with many rotaries, confusing merges, and narrow, historic streets not designed for modern traffic volumes. Drivers here learn to be assertive, navigating these intricate routes with a sense of urgency. This assertive driving style, which might involve quick lane changes, less frequent use of turn signals, and a general take-charge approach, can appear very aggressive or even rude to those accustomed to different driving norms. Beyond the roads, some also connect the term to a general communication style. People from Massachusetts are often seen as direct, no-nonsense, and less inclined to beat around the bush. While this can be a positive trait signifying efficiency and honesty, to an outsider, it can sometimes come across as abrupt or impolite. Understanding these cultural nuances can help you interpret the term not just as an insult, but as a reaction to a distinct local way of life. It is fascinating to note that this term, while often used negatively by non-residents, is sometimes adopted by locals themselves with a sense of ironic pride or self-deprecating humor. It hints at a certain resilience, a get-it-done attitude, and an unapologetic local identity. Many Bay Staters will joke about their own driving or their bluntness, recognizing the stereotype while not necessarily endorsing its negative connotations. Ultimately, the label Masshole is a culturally charged stereotype, deeply rooted in specific driving behaviors and a perceived communication style shaped by the unique environment of Massachusetts. While it is certainly not a fair or accurate description of every person in the state, understanding its origins helps explain a curious piece of regional folklore and highlights the distinctive character that has emerged from life in the Bay State.